Hey guys, this is Preeti Shenoy and I am at Arogya's yoga school right now. I've had the most amazing retreat and the food was fabulous. It's a very Spartan kind of a setup. So don't expect an ultra luxurious setting, but the yoga classes I took were amazing. I learned Jalneti, I learned inversion on the rope. I was already doing the headstand. I completely feel like a new person. I did the sound healing. The people here are very friendly. The school is absolutely amazing. It's surrounded by green fields and there's also a dog here for dog lovers. All in all, it's just a fabulous experience and at extremely reasonable cost. And this is not a paid video, it's an honest, genuine review. I would love for you to do it. So do check out Arogya School, which is linked in the caption below.